Need to open Notepad on your Windows PC. It's quick, and there are several ways to do it. In this guide, I'll show you the easiest methods, from Windows search to the run command and a handy keyboard shortcut. So let's jump in. First, select the Start button on the taskbar. Then find Notepad in the list of installed apps. You can scroll through the apps or simply start typing Notepad after opening Start. Select the Notepad app and it will launch. Probably the fastest method is Windows search. Select the search icon or search box on the taskbar and type Notepad. When the app appears in the results, click it to open. Yeah, this is usually the easiest option if you don't want to browse through the Start menu. Here, another quick option. Press the Windows key and the letter R together to open the Run dialog. Type the word Notepad, then press Enter. Windows will immediately launch the app. This method is especially useful when you want to open Notepad without searching through menus. You can also create your own shortcut for faster access. Find Notepad from Windows Search or the Start menu, then use the available shortcut or pinning options to place it somewhere convenient, such as the taskbar or Start menu. Once it's pinned, you can launch Notepad with just one click. If you prefer having Notepad directly on your desktop, you can create a shortcut from the Start menu. Locate Notepad, open its available options, and choose the option to create or place a shortcut where supported. Then, you can double-click that shortcut anytime to launch Notepad. If Notepad doesn't open, first try searching for it again. You can also restart Windows and try once more. If the app is missing or damaged, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, find Notepad, and check the available repair or reset options. That usually solves common app problems, and that's it. Whether you use Start, Search, the Run command, or a pinned shortcut, opening Notepad takes just a few seconds. Pick the method that feels easiest for you, and you're ready to start writing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.